chances to go through and compare and contrast a few different things from the lightning thief. We are going to look at an article called "What is the difference between alligators and crocodiles?" Please track this page inside of your packet. Once you're there, I'm going to go ahead and read this article to you. You can follow along as I read. If you do not want to listen to me read, it's okay for you to fast forward this video and read it at your own pace. What is the difference between alligators and crocodiles? Alligators and crocodiles do look similar, but there are several physical characteristics that differentiate the two giant reptiles. Scientists separate alligators, crocodiles, and their cousins, caimans and gharials, according to their differences in their skulls, scales, and teeth. The most easily observed difference between alligators and crocodiles is the shape of the head. The crocodile's skull and jaws are longer and narrower than the alligators. I'm going to go ahead and read this caption right here. The American alligator, Alligator mississippianus, resides primarily in the rivers and wetlands in the southeastern region of North Carolina, but can also be found as far north as the Albemarle Sound. Coastal North Carolina is the northernmost range for the American alligator. In both alligators and crocodiles, the fourth tooth on either side of the lower jaw is exceptionally long. When an alligator closes its mouth, those long teeth slip into sockets in the upper jaw and disappear. When a crocodile closes its mouth, the long teeth remain visible, protruding outside the upper jaw. In general, if you can still see a lot of teeth, even when the animal's mouth is closed, you are looking at a crocodile. Alligators have plenty of teeth, but fewer show until the mouth is open. Like sharks, crocodilians never run out of teeth, for sharp new ones grow in as old dull ones are shed throughout the animal's lives. Numerous as they are, the crocodilian teeth serve only for grasping, not chewing. These animals gulp their food in large chunks and rely on powerful stomach acids to break it down. Alligators and crocodiles both have thick, bumpy skin, but alligators tend to be darker in color. Adult alligators are grayish-black, while adult crocodiles are light tan to brown in color. Young alligators can be more colorful with yellow or white highlights on a black body. Another difference between crocodiles and alligators is their choice of homes. Alligators are freshwater reptiles, favoring the rivers, lakes, swamps, and marshes of the coast. On the other hand, crocodiles prefer coastal, brackish, or saltwater habitats. Crocodilians belong to the subclass Archosauria, means ruling reptiles, which dates back to over 180 million years ago and includes the vanished dinosaurs. As far as we know, crocodilians are the only true archosaurs remaining alive today. Two crocodilians are native to the U.S., the American alligator and the American crocodile. The range of the American alligator, found only in the southeastern part of the country, is restrained by cold temperatures and distribution of wetlands. The American crocodile is even more sensitive to cold. Its range is limited to tropical areas. The American crocodile is very rare and in the U.S. can be found only in the southern tip of Florida. Both alligators and crocodiles are protected by state and federal laws. The alligator is listed as a threatened species and the crocodile as endangered under the Federal Endangered Species Act. Now that you're finished reading the article, go ahead and fill out your Venn diagram to compare and contrast alligators and crocodiles using this article. Good luck and happy comparing and contrasting. #ILoveOctober.